Today, we're making grilled corn.
Mexican style.
We're gonna grill that corn till it's nice and charred.
Then we're gonna slather it up with some savory cream sauce.
And then we're gonna top it with crumbled Cotija cheese.
And a little cilantro.
And fresh lime.
Oh, every bite is muy bueno.
That's so muy bueno. Muy bueno. Oh, I'm so excited. I love this. So I'm Chris.
And I'm Wesley.
My numero uno amigo.
I'm better,
Loon. You are. It's one of my favorite things to say.
Yeah, we're making Mexican style street corn.
This is so good. This is an amazing, it's really a popular street food in
Yes.
Mexico.
Elote. Yeah.
Elote. So let's get started.
It's all about the corn.
Sure is.
So I've got, obviously, an ear of corn. We're doing 4 corn ears today. This actually can make 8. But we can't eat that much.
We could.
But all right. So I'm going to just get started on this. So what I'm going to do is I'm just ripping back all of the.
But you're not ripping them off.
No, I'm ripping them back, not off.
There's a reason.
Yes, and so I want to get to that silk, so I can take that silk out of there. And
so we played around with this, and I always have to preface what we're doing. That we're not Mexican. We have some dear Mexican friends, and we love them.
Dear.
We even have some Mexican blood in our family, but we're not Mexican. So this is our version of it, and we've done
the in-laws.
The in-laws. We've been making this for years, but if we don't do it exactly the way you do it when you're down in Mexico, that's okay. Let us know.
Yeah.
Okay, so I've said that.
Yeah, I'm still taking on. I got a lot of work to do.
You do. So what he's doing is he the reason he's not pulling those completely off is because he's gonna take that silk away.
Yeah,
and then he's gonna put the husk back around it and tie it, and then we're gonna grill it initially with that husk on it. And that husk, there's flavor in there, and it just imparts not overly much so, but it deepens the taste of the corn.
Yeah, but you got to get this silk off because people will complain.
That is so true, and rightly so. I mean, be meticulous about that. We were doing it for a family big party, and they were like, I had to do like 30 of them, and I kind of got a little lazy. But halfway through, people were like, well, why? I'm going to be picking this out of my teeth for a month.
You need toothpicks.
Yeah, right. So now we're going to make that savory sauce that Wesley talked about. That gets slathered on. This is so good. So this is a half a cup of it's Mexican crema. If you can find it, it's pretty commonly found now. You can in the dairy section of actually a lot of times by the fresh cheese in your supermarket. Or at a Hispanic market. If you can't find that, you can absolutely use sour cream. Creme fraiche will work. But anyway, then we've got a 1/4 cup of just good quality mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise.
I know you're probably thinking that's strange. And then we've got this Cotija cheese, and this is a half a cup of Cotija cheese. And that is that cheese that is just so delicious.
It's like an aged, salty cow's milk.
Cow's milk is very common in Mexican cooking, and I just love it. It has the texture of like a Parmesan. I think it has more of a flavor of kind of like a feta. If you can't find it, then sorry, no. You could use
like a mild feta.
You could use a mild feta.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna get a little punch of spice. We got just Wesley this is cayenne, so Wesley likes a little extra heat.
Yes.
So that's probably about 1/8 of a teaspoon, and I'm gonna do about 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt.
Yes.
I'm just gonna keep mixing this up.
So good. All right. So look, I got all the silk off, and now I'm just gonna take this and put this all back in place.
Oh wow, boy, that was good.
Thank you.
Boy, you.
And so, and I also take a little bit of the husk, because what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put this down here, and I'm going to use this husk right here,
just to kind of tie it
up. Keep it all up in there.
And if some of the corn is exposed, that's no problem. That's perfectly fine. That'll probably happen.
And then I'm just going to cut off the extra, because this just catches on fire.
Well, those loose ends, they do tend to get a little burned.
There we go. Look at all that.
Yeah. So now, did you fire up the grill?
Yes, I fired up the grill.
Give those to me. I'm going to go put them on the grill. Okay, so we let these go. You got to keep an eye on them because this will catch on fire, especially if you have like flames. But and I don't think I mentioned flames everywhere. Like 10 to 12 minutes is all you really need. You're just getting that getting that flavor. So like this one, So really keep an eye on it.
Here, that's what we got this.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Here. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna we're just gonna pull these husks away. Oh, it smells good. Can't you smell it?
Yes.
Oh, and they're not. We're gonna take them back out to the grill and get them nice and charred up.
Oh, you're just ripping them off.
Well, this is what I like to do. So if you'll see usually when you get these, they've got these little. Oh, Wesley.
I know mine came off.
Like this. And if like, we think in Mexico there's a stick that somehow or another holds it up, but this is a great little handle for them. Okay, we're gonna peel these off and then we're gonna return them back to the grill.
Yes.
So we let these go on the grill, on a hot grill for about 15 minutes. You want to just get them.
Look at
they don't
those.
have to be completely charred all over. You don't really want them to get just in places. And that you just place them on the grill, turn them around, turn them over every little bit until they look like this, which is about 15 minutes. Now it's the fun time. This is what I love to do. Well, let me show you. So I would recommend making this sauce in advance, like at least an hour in advance, because you see how it thickens up. We put it in the fridge. You can even make this like a day in advance, and it's going to be great. Okay, I'm going to leave this. You know what I'm going to do?
Yeah, get rid of that. I'll get rid of this plate.
Okay.
There we go. Yes.
All right. This is so much fun, and I was going to say the taste, but let's wait. Let's wait to be judge of that.
Yeah, get that good and slathered.
It's really important that you apply this when the corn is nice and hot, because it just kind of gets that cheese started. It's not Cotija is not a real melty kind of cheese, but
why don't I do this there, and then you can smear it.
All right. We'll work as a team.
Yeah, there you go.
And here's the one that doesn't have a handle.
Oh, sorry. Just get messy.
I know. Okay. And then we put a little parchment paper down here just to kind of make it
easy cleanup.
Easy cleanup. You just toss it when you're done with it.
Here,
doesn't this look great? Oh my gosh, and the smell.
Come on. Get it all over there.
Yeah.
Get it all over it. I can take a bath in this stuff.
I think you have. Okay.
Yum.
Come on, help me out here.
Yum.
I know, this is great. This is so much fun to serve at parties and at barbecues. It's so good at a barbecue.
So hold on, that one didn't have
People just rave about it every time we serve it and make it.
Oh, that's the one without the handle. So let's not do that.
Wow, you really did apply that.
You can be liberal with that,
and you should be liberal with it. Okay, now like I said, this sauce is enough for eight corns or ears. So we just did 4. Look at that.
Yes.
I'm gonna
Guys, look at that. All
2
right.
just for the fun.
Oh,
Okay.
yes.
So now Cotija cheese, it usually comes in like a disc like this, and you see how it's nice and crumbly like that. So we're gonna finish it off with another.
And don't be chintzy with that.
No, this is the Cotija cheese. I think is really one of the main components of this.
Oh, come on, all over in that one.
This,
That's the one
dish.
I'm gonna go for.
And if you can't find it locally, then you can order it online. I've done that before, but I have no trouble finding it here in good old Tejas. Okay, now we're gonna put a little fresh chopped cilantro. Isn't it beautiful?
Oh, you know what I wish? Oh, there it is.
Oh yeah, yeah. If you want a little added heat, I forgot that. Sorry.
I like to add just a little more cayenne onto here. Yes, there we go. Do you want any of this, Chris?
Yeah, I'll have a little bit. I like a little spice.
Here, I'll show you some. Oh wait, you gotta do all your other stuff.
I know. Give me a break.
All right, there you go. Give me a break.
Okay.
Perfect.
I've been waiting for this moment for a long time.
Yes. There you go. Get it all. I bet everybody's seeing it
So
above you.
beautiful. Oh, the smell. Okay.
Here, a little bit of this, and you better have your lime ready.
Yep. Oh yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
All right. Got your lime. Oh, there we go.
Oh. I'm gonna later in the summer. There's a really great elote salad. It doesn't have it on the cob. That's really good. Cob.
Okay, guys, look at that. Time to get messy.
Yeah, it is. They're messy, but they're good.
Hold on. I don't know if I. Oh.
I gotta go in for another bite. Oh, I mean, who doesn't like corn on the cob? I don't think I know anyone. That takes it to a level that is unheard of.
It's amazing. This would be like everyday meal.
If we didn't cook a new thing every single day of our life.
Y'all, this is really, it's fun, it's festive, and it's
summer.
It's so good. I can't tell you. I cannot tell you. I'll tell you though, it's 10,000% Loon approved. It's 100,000.
I was gonna say.
It's so good.
It is so good, you guys. And it's easy to make. You can do the sauce ahead of time. You don't have to char it in the husk if you just don't want to, but it adds flavor. Just make it. You're gonna love it. Your guests and your friends and your family will love you so much, almost as much as we love you. All right, we're getting really corny here. All right, bye everybody.
Bye.